Hello traders, today's topic of the video is Forex mentors. Where to look them, what should be important to you, what to avoid, and do you even need one in the first place? For those questions I'll try to answer. So, there is plenty of information on the internet to learn Forex yourself. There are also many mentors, coaches willing to teach you beginner Forex trades for free. However, it can end up with negative results for the student. In the beginning, ask yourself those questions. If you were a successful trader and made good money on trading, would you spend your time on something that won't yield you any income? Would you teach someone for a free or for a nominal cost, spending much time on it? Or if you had a profitable trading system, would you share it with someone for free? All I'm saying is in regard of the new wave of pseudo-teachers that flooded the internet, which not necessarily had the experience, knowledge and good intentions to teach somebody. Let's start maybe from describing the phony teachers, what are they focusing on, so you could avoid them in the future. So, first thing is that they want to sell their financial product. They urge you to invest in their investment portfolio, buy their expert advisor, trading indicator, subscribe to their trading signals, etc. They are mostly anonymous, and mostly those EAs are just slightly modified versions of free available ones. A second type is that they want to promote their website, channel to attract advertisers or promote affiliate links. The goal of the teacher is to increase traffic or make profits from an affiliate program. Such people do not know the Forex theory well and have never made a stable income in Forex. Not all of them, which I will extend further in the video, but it is also difficult for beginners to realize, is this person saying some obvious things or is there some value in this content? It is easier after some time to detect those things when you have at least basics experience. Tutor, which you should be looking for, is the one who has the interest in your successful trading. When it comes to paid trading, it refers to some well-known trading academies. However, you should understand that a professional trader will teach you only if it is more profitable for him or her than trading, or at least in a similar amount. Such courses will hardly be cheap. Also, it is possible that the trader simply likes to alternate trading with training. Now I will extend the previous thought about the trading channels. It refers to affiliate programs. Professional traders are interested in developing an affiliate network and profits made by their referrals. Therefore, they are willing to spend a part of their time in newbies to help beginners traders gain experience. A Forex partner is interested in the success of his or her referral because a partner receives a profit from each referral attracted. Therefore, the partners are interested in the success of their referral students. So, how to find a trustworthy mentor? Look for Forex trading mentors among people who do not seek to promote their coaching services. Search on the professional traders or investors forums, in traders ranking on brokers' website and traders blog posted by brokers. Do not be afraid to contact professional traders directly. Concluding, try to rely only on yourself. Set goals, make up a plan, practice your knowledge and trading skills on a demo account. Listen only to yourself and trust only yourself. Do not spend your money in haste. So that is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and yeah, see you in the next one. Take care guys. Bye.